How to add a search bar in your WIX website. So right here in the WIX website editor, you want to go to your top left of your screen and then choose this plus button, name add elements, and then after that you want to go to your search bar right here and you want to type on search, enter, and then you want to click on this site search right here, and right here on the site search you can just choose any of the design of the site search. So I want to choose this one for example, and there you go. You can just customize the place for the search button. For example, I want to make it right here at the center of my screen, and then after that you want to click on the settings to customize your search right here, and then you can also click on the layout to customize the inner design, and then you can also change the design of the search bar, and the last one you can choose the manage search result. And right here to add the search result, you just want to fill your website with your own content. And also on the search result you can click on the settings and you can choose whether one of these to be on the search result. You can turn it off and turn it on as you like. And on the advanced settings on show hidden page, you just want to turn it on to make sure all of your content in your web is available when someone search in your web. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.